Welcome, guys. You guys already know it's Thomas at Hub in the building. So if you're not following the page, you're just doing yourself jealousy. So yeah, guys, on Sunday Diaries now we'll be talking about videos which is trending.
Yokuthi mangabe kuliwe izimpi lapha kulungisizwe nilokhu nithi hayi sikhona nathi nathi sikhona ngenhliziyo sikufuna ngamahlende lapha thina asikufuni ngenhliziyo lapha ngenhliziyo yokuthanda intombi yakho thina sikufuna ngamahlende lapha ube khona ngamahlende ngiyamuzwa ukuthi ayisondi kapha
illegal immigrant strike. Right now we're just on the ones of illegal immigrants, guys. There's this other guy, his name I don't know if it's Zozo or whatnot, but this guy, guys, he's doing the most. He's actually everywhere on the videos of illegal immigrant. Is everywhere. And also who's this Jacinta, guys. Jacinta makes sure everything okay. She does everything according to paper. She knows the law on how everything works. When it comes to Zozo, he also knows the law. He's good in talking to people. He doesn't just barge in and cause all the kind of drama. So what's happening is, guys, South Africans are actually chasing away illegal immigrants. It's not only South Africans, and most of the people that they're targeting it's they're not targeting actually. It's just that they are everywhere on other African countries like Nigerians are in every part of Africa, and wherever they go, they make sure they everything is good. They make sure it's what you call this. Good. They disassemble everything. Wherever they go, they disassemble the systems, they disassemble the characters of people, they disassemble the health of people. So it's just that. So and Nigerian ministers are claiming that they are fixing South African government and all that. They will be removing South African companies from Nigeria. But look, if they're going to do that, either or, they're just going to, firstly, they're not going to have cooking oil like Zimbabwe. For them to have cooking oil is something else. That's why they buy this side, they go that side. You understand? Even if they buy it from that side, it's more expensive. So sometimes, when you're sitting in the country, you just have to think as a citizen. You just have to think. You understand? The Zimbabweans chased away white people. Okay, we understand that. But then they ran away to come to a country where there's white people. Like, what is the logic there? You understand? And Zimbabwe is a country which is rich in minerals, rich in gold, and some other minerals. You understand? So why can't they just say, you know what? Enough is enough. Let's let the white people come and invest, develop the country, employ people. They must evolve that country so that it changes into a country which is stable and everyone is working, so there's no need for them to run to other countries. You understand? So but like it's that thing of having, I don't know if it's pride or something, but if it's pride, then they have to put it aside and think about it thoroughly and talk to their president. And if there's one political party, they have to remove it because it's not helping them. You understand? So it's not helping them. So Zimbabweans, yes, they have skill. I'm gonna admit that they have spelling skills. But we also have people with those kind of skills. The only other country which has a problem is Ethiopians.
When she went to buy the fridge so that she can start operating the business, the Ethiopians in the area went to her and said, why is she buying the fridge and why does she want to operate as a spaza shop, because this is their territory. We went to confront these guys. So we are saying to you guys, you cannot come into our country and tell us not to open shops. You cannot come into our country to tell us nonsense. So since he's not here, since he's not here, please give him the message, and we don't want to come here for the second time.
I'm going to tell for you, yes. Finish with all the story of him.
Angas joy.
Boss me around anything.
Yes.
And don't clap their hands for her.
They're telling her that no one is supposed to open a shop there. That's the Ethiopian territory. I know that you guys, you said this is your territory.
Yeah.
You're even chasing Pakistanis and stuff. But okay, this is just a friendly warning. You guys, you don't own anything in South Africa. And one thing I can tell you, you're going to leave here empty-handed.
Exactly.
All of you. You understand? And you can never come. You see this woman. This woman, she's a South African. It's her birthright to open a shop here.
Yeah.
It's her. Actually, you guys, what you are doing by running this shop, it's wrong. You are infringing the laws of this country.
So these people, but claim our country territory, like they literally are here dictating to us, telling South Africans not to open shops. How can you come into a foreign country?
We're trying to coexist with you, but you tell citizens not to open shops. These people, they run away from their countries of origin, but they come here to South Africa and they claim to have territories. That needs to be looked up on.
And tell Alex, it's us again. If I found him here,
we as the citizens and patriots of this country, we will not stand for that. We will make sure that we protect our own people, and we'll make sure that none of these people are operating in the informal market.
Ethiopians are, what can I say? Because most of the videos which I saw, it's more like they are selfish. They don't want anyone else to have a tuck shop, as if it's their country. And some of them, but they didn't quite get it. But the people who stays in the location mostly know this. Ethiopian shops, they run by young boys and all that. And some of the boys probably, it's either they committed some crime wherever they come from, or they were brought this side forcefully so. You understand? And their tuck shops are not hygiene. Meanwhile, they stay inside the tuck shop, they cook inside the tuck shop, they do whatever inside the tuck shop. And some of the even some of the Indian tuck shops, they sell illegal things. So South Africans are saying, no, you know what, enough, it's enough. Everyone must go back to their country and go fix their country. That's just it. You understand? So we don't know why. We don't know why people are saying no. They want to fight to have certain things in South Africa, but they can't fight to get certain things in their country. So the thing is still going on, and the government, South African government, is just quiet. But obviously they're just going to be quiet to avoid any violence between countries and unnecessary wars between African countries. But nonetheless, I think deep down they're actually proud of what's happening right now. That, you know what, if the illegal immigrants leave the country will be stable, and they will be able to manage the country. Because now most of the people, there's the other video, and now I'm gonna put in, I'm gonna just put a snap of it. Some of the people, especially the illegal immigrants, they committed crimes from wherever they come from.
In Nigeria, the government of Nigeria have...
I'm not from Nigeria, I speak English.
I'm speaking English.
Yeah, I'm from Malawi, I'm a visitor here.
Yes. And you have papers?
Yes, I got.
Where?
Are you a police?
I am.
Are you a police?
Oh,
Show me ID.
I'm telling you right now that we are here in Johannesburg, and we said we're going to be here for a longest time, no crime to be committed, and we are as peaceful as we are. But the Nigerian government have declared. Why you doing it in your own country? Why? We are tired, and you must know it.
I want to buy things here.
And they ran to South Africa. So they ran to South Africa, and then they are hiding in South Africa. And I think that most of the things are actually going to come out, because what they do is, whenever they're doing these demonstrations of illegal immigrants, we should live march and all that, they use they videoizing everything, they're using videos, they're taking videos and everything, and those videos go viral. And once they go viral, whoever is in the country illegally and they are wanted in other countries, they are able to spot them. You understand? So I think what they're going to do is, they're going to take, if they are illegal Nigerians and whatnot, they're going to take their pictures and all that,